Hello everyone and happy Halloween. Today's video is special because we'll be collabing with my fellow YouTuber, Divine Adventurer, to make a Barbie inspired of the Netflix series Trese. As you've seen on the thumbnail, I'll be making Emissary. Some often mistake her for Ibu, the Manobos queen of the underworld, which she's not. She's her emissary, hence the name. Emissary is said to guide the souls to the afterlife, very similar to a Grim Reaper. Here I am sketching out her costume. From what I noticed, her attire is heavily inspired by the Philippines' traditional costume, the Barot Saya. We'll start with her inner garment. I used the pattern I made for the pop sleeve dress and alter its sleeves to be down on the elbows. Sew a running stitch and pull the thread to gather the sleeves. Then attach to the fabric we cut to make the long sleeves. Fold and sew. Stitch it to the body and cover the shoulder edges with a strip of fabric. Finally, add Velcro to the back. Take an old face mask and cut it to make the detailed parts on her arm. Next is the skirt. Cut a half circle skirt onto the fabric. The length should be down to her feet. Cut a fabric for the waistband. Turn it inside out and sew onto the skirt. Add a hook and eye at the back. And we move on to the next, which is her Alampay. Cut a square-shaped fabric and start distressing all the edges. Once you're satisfied, apply a seam sealant to avoid the fabric from fraying further. Cut the ends randomly. Make it look as snug as possible. Fold it diagonally to form a triangle. And sew the snaps on its two ends. Make sure to try it on the doll first before stitching it in place. For her long veil, fold the fabric twice in half and cut a curved line to the edges. To make her headpiece, I'm using polymer clay. Cut to tiny pieces and make round beads. Poke a hole at the center with a safety pin. I made as many as I can and bake them in the oven. Unfortunately, the holes all melted after baking, so I had to drill the holes again. Put the beads to the wire. And once we have enough, start bending it to form the headpiece. I sewn the headpiece onto the veil and added feathers on the sides. Next, I painted Barbie's lips black with acrylic paint. We are almost done. If you made it this far, give this video a like and tell me in the comments who's your favorite character in Trese. For the last part, cut a string from the mask before and sew a bead at the center to make the choker. Put everything together and we have our emissary. Thank you so much for watching, and please check out Divine Adventurer's video next to see how she made our heroine Trese. Until next time, paalam!